Worried you'll miss a deduction? The Deductions Checklist is a comprehensive menu of every possible tax break. You just check what applies. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Find it in the Deductions and Credits section. It's often called See All Tax Deductions or Checklist. It's organized by life categories: your home, your family, your health, your donations. Go through it line by line. For each item, like mortgage interest or medical expenses, click it. TurboTax will ask you a few simple questions to see if you qualify and then guide you to enter the amounts. My crucial pro tip: use it as a year-round planning tool. Even after you file, review the checklist. It shows you what receipts to save and actions to take next year to maximize your future refund. It's a blueprint for tax-smart living. Leave no money on the table by methodically using this tool. What deduction did you discover through the checklist that you had been missing? For more comprehensive tax strategies, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.